Howie the Butcher back. This video I want to share with you how to make bacon wrapped asparagus. A great complement with any meat, anything you grill, or just by themselves it's good. I mean, we're talking bacon here. You could wrap anything in bacon and be good. So, nice fresh asparagus. I'm going to cut it way back so you get past the tough part. And we're going to discard that. And now we're going to rinse it. Make sure it's good and clean. Got our asparagus ends cut off, the tough ends, most of them. And we rinsed our asparagus. I'm going to put it in my little bowl here. Add a little bit of olive oil. This helps keep it moist. Adds a little bit of flavor. I'll just mix it a little bit. Then I'm going to put just a little bit of garlic salt. Not too much, I'm trying to watch my sodium. We'll just a little bit, don't need a whole lot. And then regular pepper, black pepper, just a little bit. Add a little extra flavor to it. Okay, and we'll mix it up nice. Alright, so now all I need to do is I take about 4, sometimes 5 if it's smaller asparagus, bundle it up and just wrap my bacon around it. Try and go kind of overlap it and go like that. Now, I toothpick it, keeps your bacon in place, and I'll go through the end that's loose and go through it all the way through the other side. This really keeps it in place nice, and I do one on each end. It just holds everything together really nice. But that's all there is to it. Now when I get it all done, I'm going to put just a little bit of white pepper on it. I like the extra flavor that gives. Got all the asparagus all wrapped up, isn't that pretty? Toothpicks in it, holds together real nice. I'm going to dust it just with a little bit of white pepper. Don't want to, this goes a long ways. It's pretty strong stuff. I like just a little bit. And that is all there is to it. It's ready to grill, and we'll go over that in a little bit. You definitely want to use a lower heat when you grill anything with bacon, because if it gets too hot and melts too much too fast, you're going to have a fire and it's going to ruin it in no time. So you do have to watch it careful. Definitely don't go over 350, and just keep an eye on it. You see that temperature go up or a lot of smoke, you got a problem. So we'll deal with that here in a little bit. I'm ready to put the bacon wrapped asparagus on. You can see I'm setting about 310. I'm going to start it off with that and try and maintain no more than 325 so we don't get a bacon fire. So we'll get that all situated on the grill. We'll start off with 5 minutes and see what the bacon looks like and go from there. If you've never had this, you're going to love it. It's just absolutely wonderful. Like I said, it pairs with any meat, fish, whatever. It's just a great side dish. Alright, we'll be back and check it in 5 minutes, see what it looks like. Okay, so the first time I ended up leaving it 8 minutes the first side. I didn't think it was 5, wasn't quite long enough. So this is going on 8 on the second side. This one is just exactly how you want it to look. Just perfect. I'm going to put that on the back and do an indirect heat so it doesn't further cooking, but yet it'll tender up the asparagus. So these I'm going to leave, that one's good, put it on the back. These I'm going to leave for another 4 minutes to get that bacon, that look that I'm looking for. And then I'll put them all on indirect heat for another 10 minutes to tender up the asparagus, and it should be plenty good to go. Okay, so I did it another 4 minutes. The bacon wasn't quite as nice and brown as I like it. That looks about perfect there. So I am going to call that good. I'm going to put it all on indirect heat for another 10 minutes and it'll be perfect. Again, indirect heat is turning the burner off where it sets above. So it creates an oven type of a heat, and it won't burn it. It'll just finish making it nice and tender. They've been on indirect heat for another 10 minutes. Look at those. I mean, that's what they should look like. It's really good eating stuff. Like I said, it pairs with any meat. fish, whatever you like. One other addition to this, you can also in the spring or when you get the nice green beans, you can use green beans the same way. That works great. Just the same process. You might want to blanch your beans for about a minute to tender them up, but it works great. I think you'll enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you don't know meat, know your meat man.